What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Drea and I would love for you to subscribe down below and also follow me on my Instagram, which I will leave in the description box for you guys. But today's video I have been dreaming of for the longest time, and it's my empty house tour video. So I do live with my parents and we just got a new house. So I'm so excited to share with you guys because this is where I'm going to be filming all of my videos for the years to come. So I'm so excited about this and I can't wait to show you how we're decorating this house. So there's going to be tons of organization videos, cooking videos, and vlogs. So stay tuned for that. But without any further ado, I am filming this with my phone, so the quality is not going to be the greatest. But let's get right into the house tour. Okay, so when you come inside to the house, you have a little mud room here, which is super cute for storage. Then you come this way. It has this really cool like wood panel here in the middle. And then this is the den area. I love this area because it came with the mirrors and the chandeliers. Everything that was fixed to the walls came with the house, but the furniture that they had for staging obviously didn't. So that's what I'm in the process of. So you keep walking this way, you have a guest bathroom right here, which I love. The sconces on the walls and the sink. And then you come to the main area of the house. So right here is going to be the living / TV room, which I am obsessed with. I already went and bought like 1,000 little knickknacks for the bookshelf. And then this is the only thing from the staging company that actually stayed, and it's this white couch, which we are going to be swapping out for the Andes sectional from West Elm. It's going to be like almost the same thing, but the legs are going to be black, and then the seats are going to be a little bit more cream. I'll show you guys a swatch later, but yeah, that's why we can't have a white couch. My favorite part of the house is this whole area. So this just being like integrated with the whole house is amazing because like everyone's kind of just hanging out together. And I am obsessed with the beams on the ceiling and the chandeliers. I feel like it gives the house like a super cozy, kind of like modern farmhouse feel. Ollie, stop, man. And then I love that all of these windows are like super open to the outside. It makes it look super airy and bright. So here, okay, so there we have like a little media room. So all of our cables and ugly stuff is gonna go in here. It's pretty much the electric room. Over here, this is all for my mom's closet. I went to IKEA and I bought her like an entire closet Pax wardrobe, and I pretty much designed it for her, and this is all that is gonna go in there. So it was a mission. So I wish I would have recorded this when this wasn't here, but we're getting a long dining table from Restoration Hardware. It's gonna be like a gray oak, like a weathered gray oak color. And then the chairs are gonna be fabric with black hardware to pretty much just tie in like the black from the windows and the black hardware in the kitchen. So you come this way. I got also 4 stools from Restoration Hardware, which are gonna be like a dark granite leather. And then here we have like a little bit of storage. And then I love that this house has so much storage because in the last apartment, it was like tiny. So in there you can open them up and like there's a bunch of shelves. And then I am obsessed. Like this is so gorgeous and I love to cook. So just having this is gonna be like, it's my dream come true basically. So this is Carrara marble and I love it. I feel like it gives the house such a like open, bright, just like zen space. Then we have this huge fridge, which I love that it has the doors because it just ties in the whole kitchen together, makes it look really nice. And then we have obviously just the basics: oven, microwave. This I'm gonna use to put all of our wine glasses and whatnot. And then we have a bunch of little drawers and space. And then these are 2 dishwashers and 2 trash cans. And then the sink, I absolutely love the black hardware on everything. And I love that, for example, like the drawers and the doors, if you were to like throw them, they're not gonna slam. They kind of like have a stopper, which is amazing. And then you walk over to this side and you have the door to the garage, which I'm not gonna, okay, actually it's off. So it's a pretty big, like 2-car garage. The builders left a bunch of stuff here, so I have to see what we're gonna do with this. And then it has an attic up there. Here is our pantry. So I am obsessed with this because you guys can already see I got a bunch of things to store it and make it super organized. I'm not a fan of this backsplash. Honestly, I would have chosen something else, but it's gonna do. If anything, I'll change it to like a white tile, something like that later on. But it is what it is. It doesn't bother me, but it wouldn't be my backsplash of choice. And then we just have a bunch of little drawers here, and I love that they did like the ones that slide out because they're just so useful. And then we have a little fridge here for wines, which I've honestly never had before, and we're probably gonna put it to good use. Then we have the big pantry, which, wow, this is like a dream come true. I'm not sure why this is here. I think it's because we don't have a toaster outside, but they just left this here basically. These I got at IKEA. They were like $4 or $5 each, and let me tell you that they're like the sturdiest things ever. And if you're into pantry organizing and using little boxes like this, you know how expensive these can get at the Container Store. So I bought a bunch to put like bags of chips and snacks and little things that are just easier to grab, and I can put little labels on them. This was just some of them to see how they fit in the space, but I'm definitely going to be getting a ton more. I love that they put this here to like put your bags when you come in. Or like a backpack or something, like your gym bag can stay there, which is really cute. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. Okay, so coming back over this way, this is actually gonna be my studio, and I'm so excited. This is the bathroom. It's kind of like the bathroom for the room, but it's also the bathroom that goes out to the backyard and the pool. So this is gonna be kind of like a guest room. And I love the countertops or the sink, and then all the sconces on the walls. Just like everything is so nicely made. And then the wood on the walls. I'm pretty sure this is laminate, so it's not actual wood. And then you come over this way. This is gonna be my studio room. I wanted it to be separate from the rest of the house just for like the noise and just having like my own little space. So, and then you have like a little closet in here. I love the double doors. Just makes it so much more accessible, and I love that they put these like huge, like strong black hardware on all of the door frames and the drawers, because I feel like it gives it like a really nice touch. So yeah, this is pretty much gonna be the studio. Then we walk back over this way. So this is the backyard. Okay, so here we have this super cute little lounge area. I love doing barbecues and just like having people over, so I want to make this area super comfortable for everyone. So I'm gonna do a little lounge sectional area there with 2 chairs and then a little sofa and a coffee table. And then we have those little wooden fans on the ceiling. And then over on this side, I'm gonna do a long wood, actually no, it's the same material as the lounge chairs. I'm gonna do a long table there for dining, probably going this way actually. And then it's gonna have like the benches that go under to save some space. And then when you come over this way, we have this little gazebo, which was originally gonna be where I would put the table for us to eat. But because the barbecue is gonna be going against that wall, I don't want it to be too close where people are sitting, and it would just make this space really small. What we're gonna do is put the barbecue there and then build a little wooden countertop here with like a little cooler at the bottom and a sink. And then that way we can like prepare all the food here, and we don't have to make a mess in the kitchen every time, and then we can cut the food and serve it. So it'll be kind of like the buffet style area with the barbecue, and that way people just serve themselves here and then they go and sit over on this area. And we have the pool. The pool isn't that big, but it's like perfect because anything bigger, honestly, it's like we wouldn't really need it.
And I love that it has like the little deck and then it goes down. It's not that deep, it's actually like 5 feet, I think. And then it has a small jacuzzi area. And then this is the main room, the master. And then this is the side office that it has. So I'm not sure why the builders actually left that corner there, but what we're gonna do is pretty much extend this out a little bit more and just have the floor there so we can put some like lounging bed chairs, because if not we don't have any space to like tan and just lay out in the sun because the rest is covered. So I'm gonna pretty much extend it to about there. That way we can put 3 long lounge chairs. Moving on to the actual bedrooms of the house. So you come in through this hallway and here you have like a little linen closet on the right hand side. Then you have the laundry on this side. So again, this house is like made for giants because I will never actually be able to reach that. So I don't know what's gonna happen. We might have to extend it out or something because that's gonna be impossible. And I love that you have this like folding table on top. And then over on this side you have some space to like store things and also wash anything if you need to wash stuff by hand or whatever the deal is. This is gonna be probably my room or my sister's room. There's 2 rooms that are pretty much identical. So these face out to the street and I am gonna put some privacy blinds and blackout blinds. This one is the only thing that I've bought so far from Restoration Hardware, and it was from the outlet. So this closet looks like this. Again, I love the black hardware, but that wouldn't have been like my choice of wood. I would have actually just gone all white for the closets, but it is what it is. Okay, so I'm out of breath. Okay, so walking over to the next room. This is gonna be my sister's room. So they're practically the same exact thing. They're just like facing opposite ways. And then the closet here is on this wall. And then this is our bathroom. We are gonna be sharing a bathroom. I would have definitely gone with black hardware in the bathroom and then black mirrors, like black wooden mirrors. I love the white tile that I do love, love, love. So pretty much has 2. And then the toilet. Then you have a little bit of storage and shelves. And then I love this tile, but I don't love that tile. It's not like I hate it, but I would have just gone all the way with that white tile that's already on these sides. So, okay, so now over here to the right, you have the master bedroom. So it has like its own door and then comes the office, the closet, and the bathroom. So here on the right, you have the master closet, which is pretty big. I don't know how everything's gonna fit in here, but yeah, it's pretty much the same color as all the other closets. The master bathroom is honestly my favorite part. Like, what? This is so beautiful. I wish my bathroom was like this. So they have the shaker doors, which I love. I love also this gray because it goes well with the marble. And then that backsplash is beautiful. Love that. So also the floor is gorgeous. And then you have a double shower with a rainfall shower head. And then you have the bathroom, which this one is like so legit. Apparently it like squirts out water and dries you and everything. You have like a massive controller for it. So yeah. Then the master bedroom has a little den office, which this is gonna be what I'm turning into my mom's closet. So I bought her the Pax wardrobe that's gonna go all on this side and all on this side. So it's gonna be a massive little closet room, massive little closet. And then here I'm gonna do a vanity under the window for her to do her makeup and whatnot. Probably do like a little bench or a dresser here on this side. My mom has a bunch of clothes, so she's like, do the best that you can at giving me like the most space and the most functional setup. So that's what I'm doing. This goes out to the backyard, and then this is a master bedroom. So the rooms are not that big. The house is actually not that big for a 4-bedroom, but it's like a perfect size room. It's definitely a little tight once you put in the furniture, but I think it's gonna work well because there's like space for storage. These double doors go out to the backyard. I love these 3-panel windows because it brings in so much light to the room. And then here I'm gonna do a little dresser or a console to, you know, actually a dresser because we need the drawer space. And then I'll probably do like a long bench under the window for like pillow storage, and then just for him to sit and be able to like put his shoes on and do whatever he needs to do. And that is pretty much it. I'm so obsessed, and honestly I can't wait to show you guys how this ends up looking. Like, I'm so excited. But the furniture, for example, the table's gonna come in soon, but the chairs and the stools are custom made, so they're not gonna be here till August. So it's gonna take a little while to finish this. Some of the outdoor furniture is gonna be delivered this week, but not all of it. So I will keep you guys posted throughout the process. I'm so excited to pretty much just show you guys how we decorate this house. And I haven't lived in an actual house since I was like a little girl, so I'm so excited to just have like a big area for everyone to hang out and come and like do cook nights and barbecues, and I'm just so excited. Like, I'm honestly thrilled, and I've been dreaming of like decorating my own house for the longest time, so I can't wait. So say bye. Bye, guys.
Alrighty, so that's it for the empty house tour. There will be one where it's completely finished and furnished, but that's gonna take a couple of months because we are ordering a bunch of furniture that is custom made. So can't wait to show you guys that, but I will keep you guys posted with vlogs of how the house is going in the next few weeks. So I'm super excited, and I can't wait to just make cooking videos in here and decorating videos, vlogs, try on hauls. Like, everything is just so perfect for filming, and I am so excited. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you guys have any kind of video ideas that you guys want me to film down in the comments below, and thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys later.